Are you curious why we say the universe exploded in the Big Bang? The singularity that birthed the universe was the rapid stretching of space-time. You know what an explosion is? It's a shockwave moving through the air. Well, the Big Bang is not a thing moving through something else. It is the expansion of space and time. So it's more accurate to say it's the big stretch rather than the Big Bang. The Big Bang was used pejoratively by an opponent of the Big Bang, who couldn't imagine the universe would begin this way. He wanted the universe to be in a steady state at all times, so he used the term Big Bang as an insult to the ideas that people were having.